Hello, I am Orvillesha Genas and I am your Miss UTech 2025.
Hey guys, welcome. My name is Percival and I am your Student Union President.
Today we will be breaking down some UTech slangs for you.
Alright, so the first slang we have for you today is USU. USU is the UTech Student Union and it's a body of elected and appointed representatives that serve the holistic needs of all students.
Secondly, we have UTMS, UTech Marketing Seminar. Now, this seminar consists of final year students and they put on the best events ever. Miss UTech, which I am a part of. So for my girlies, this is the faculty that you need to know. And they also put on Flirt, which is a major event.
And next up we have SCIT. SCIT stands for School of Computing and Information Technology, which I am a third year student of. So you know you want the computer science, computer networking and security. Even AI or gaming, SCIT is the faculty for you.
Next on the list you have FOL. Shout out to the Law Lions. I am a Law Lion myself and it's the best faculty.
Alright, so next up we have Tag Drive. Tag Drive is one of the flagship initiatives hosted by the Students Union where we go around the entire country collecting donations for charities of choice.
And next up you have Barn, which is my favorite place on campus. Music, food, that's where I am at.
After that we have Fusion, one dorm, one Fusion. And Fusion consists of the hall community on campus. So we have 7 different halls. So if you want to be a part of the Fusion community, make sure you apply.
Next up is PLA, Prior Learning Assessment. Now, this is a system that allows you to use your prior experience to matriculate seamlessly into the university. And it's a program that I was a part of.
Alright, and we have Center for the Arts. Now, Center for the Arts is a place on campus where you can go if you're interested in the arts and culture. For example, you want to play steel pan, Center for the Arts. You want to play drum, Center for the Arts. You dance or sing, Center for the Arts.
Next up, you have the UTech Nights. And this is basically a symbol that means excellence and pride. And you know, as long as you attend the University of Technology, you are a UTech
Night.
Alright.
And last up on the list, Mega. Come on, bro. Everybody know Mega. But seriously, if you're coming to the school, you know, passing by the roundabout, you want to grab something quick to eat, something quick to drink, Mega is your place to go.
And that's a wrap for Slang School.
I want that under my nose. I'm out.